Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 23. Organization and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons in A. Cooperative society, B. Sole proprietorship, C. Partnership, D. Public company. So you have various types of companies here, and we are asked for the company in which organization and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons. Now option A says cooperative society. Now a cooperative society is made up of a group of people who come together, okay, with common interest of advancing the members' welfare. So that is the common interest of that group of a cooperative society. Now a sole proprietorship is a company that is run and operated by one person. So a one person or one man business is what is called a sole proprietorship. Then partnership is made up of 2 to 20 people, a collaboration of 2 to 20 people to start up a firm. And then public company refers to a company that is owned and financed by the government. Now, as it regards to organization and entrepreneurship, organization refers to the structure, the ownership, the management, the ownership of the firm, and then entrepreneurship refers to the day-to-day running of the business, the management of the business. Now, in a cooperative society, yes, you have members who own part or who are part of the organization of the firm or of the society. Now, these same members amongst themselves select those that will manage it. So you can't say the membership and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons, because it is the same set of people, just a select few number of the members that are also part of the management. So it is not vested in different persons. Now, sole proprietorship is obviously owned and operated by one person, so everything is run by one person. Now, the same thing goes for partnership. This same group of people are responsible for the organization and entrepreneurship. However, in a public company, it is owned by the government, but in terms of the entrepreneurship or the management, a group of persons are appointed. A group of persons are appointed for the management. So it is not the same as the government who owns or who is responsible for the organization of the business. So option D, public company, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.